What is going on today, guys? If you're an e-com store owner looking to increase your abandoned cart recovery rates, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Stay tuned. I'm going to go over my exact email and SMS sequences that I'm using to get recovery rates between 20 and even 50%. So stay tuned for this video, and let's get right into this.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million, and I've been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine and New York Weekly's 30 Under 30. This channel is for business owners looking to scale their business with paid ads, systems, creating more resistible offers, and ultimately making more money. So make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
So if you're an e-com store owner right now that's not sending daily emails, or you're not sending emails at all, I suggest you get Klaviyo and implement this exact same strategy. I'm gonna go over the exact emails, the time frames, and then also what I'm doing for SMS as well. And I'm doing SMS twice, and you're gonna see exactly the strategy right now. So first things first is, and this is the sequence, okay? Person comes in as an abandoned cart, okay? Now what? Okay, we wait 30 minutes. Okay, and then we say, yes or no, are they a buyer? Okay, and these are the filters that you can set inside Klaviyo. So if they are a buyer, obviously, they leave the automation because they've bought now. If it's no, then it goes here. Okay, first email. Okay. Okay, yes, they leave. I'm gonna go over what the email is. If they still haven't bought, we wait, an hour and 30 minutes. Second email. Okay, yes or no, have they bought? Now this first email is, let me just look, I got it on my computer right here. Okay. First email is, looks like, you left something behind. Looks like you left X behind, okay? Second email, and this is also an SMS, so first email plus SMS, and all we're doing with the SMS is we're just simply doing the short form of the email, but shortening for SMS. All right, if they don't buy, wait an hour and a half, then they get a second email plus text. And the second email is, okay, it is, hey, this thing's still in your cart. Still in your cart plus discount, where you kind of pitch a discount code, okay? Now, if they say no again, then you wait 12 hours, okay? You wait 12 hours. Then they get, an email that's like, hey, and this is email plus SMS. Okay, and this is the third email. Is it the money? If that's the case, then obviously, you're pitching a discount, whatever the case may be, and that's, yes, if they bought now or no. Okay, and when I'm saying yes, like if they buy, then it kicks them out of the automation because there's no need to keep emailing them if they bought from the abandoned cart recovery strategy. Okay, is it the money? That's where you're saying like, hey, all right, fine. If it's the money, here's a bigger discount than what you got here, okay? It's still in your cart plus the discount, and that could be like 10%. And then in here, I'm saying, is it the money? Fine. Is it the money? 15% off. Okay, if they still aren't a buyer, then they go to the fourth email. And the fourth email is where we push a pay over time option. That pay over time option could be, Sezzle, Shop Pay, whatever is on Shopify, plus the discount, okay? And this is wait 12 hours. This is, wait another 12 hours. If they say no, then it's wait 12 hours again. Okay? Yes or no to this. Okay? And then the last email if they say no still. Okay? Last email is we're gonna wait another 12 hours. And then we say in this one, this is where you're doing like, you know, pay over time. You're doing a discount that's maybe bigger, 20% now. You're also doing free shipping. And you're trying to pitch all the last things. And also it's the last email where it's like, you know, urgency. You know, last chance, this is the last thing that you're gonna get, you know, and this is it. And even if they buy or don't buy, it lets them leave the automation. The automation's over. So this is the exact same abandoned cart recovery process that I use for emails. Okay, now what I'm gonna go over is the SMS part, because SMS, it's already accompanied. So every single email that I sent in this, I also sent an SMS, okay? Because the SMS is just a short form, and I'm using Klaviyo for this, just so you all understand. Now, the other thing that I'm using for this is another SMS, which is TextCart. Okay, TextCart is an app in Shopify. It's an SMS abandoned cart recovery app. This thing it goes bonkers. I don't know what, like, this is where I'm getting, you know, 35% to 50% recovery rates. Okay, and this is ran by an AI, okay? And basically, if somebody, you know, while they're getting the emails too, TextCart is also texting them as well, okay? It's text and with follow-up and with tracking. Okay, and I'm also using that as well. The other thing that's important about TextCart is that TextCart collects all numbers. Okay, so all the numbers of abandoned carts. So on the top of my dashboard, let's say I have 1,188 subscribers in TextCart. Those are 1,118 people, 188 people who gave me their phone number, who gave me consent, okay, to text them. What can I do with these people? I can blast text them too inside. So I'm not just doing the SMS on AI that's automated with the follow-up and the tracking. I'm not just doing Klaviyo with the emails. I'm not just doing Klaviyo SMS. I'm also able to, you know, do blast text as well to the people who've abandoned cart. And these are people all time. Now, obviously, this costs money. It's pretty expensive, actually, but the conversion rates are nuts. Open rates are over 95%. It's definitely worth it. So this is the exact same, you know, email, and we'll also put SMS here, recovery, that I'm using to get between 35% to 50% recovery rates when you combine these strategies together. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.